Tired of content creation feeling like a constant uphill battle? In the next 90 seconds, we'll transform that chaos into a streamlined content creation machine using the power of Zapier. Zapier is your no-code automation hero, connecting different apps and services to automate repetitive tasks. We will set up connections to automate content creation, scheduling, idea generation, and keep your brand consistent. First, create a Zapier account. If you don't have one, click the Create Zap button. This is where the magic starts. Let's say you want to automatically schedule blog posts from a Google Sheet into Buffer. Choose Google Sheets as your trigger app, selecting New Spreadsheet row as the trigger. Connect your Google Sheets account and select the spreadsheet you use to store your blog post ideas. Next, select Buffer as your action app and the action to create post. Now comes the crucial part: mapping. Match the columns in your Google Sheet, like title, content, and image URL, to the corresponding fields in Buffer, like the post text and media URL. Want to generate content ideas on autopilot? Use OpenAI in Zapier. Set a trigger, like a daily schedule, then use OpenAI to generate blog post titles based on a specific topic, then send the new title to your Google Sheet. Ensure quality control. Add a filter step in Zapier to only schedule posts that meet certain criteria. For example, you can filter out rows in your Google Sheets if the status column does not say approved. Finally, test your Zap. If everything looks good, turn it on. Zapier will now automatically schedule your blog posts from your Google Sheet to Buffer only after it has been approved. This is just one example. You can connect tools like Trello for project management, WordPress for publishing, and even social media platforms for promotion. The possibilities are endless. Automation frees up your time, allows you to focus on strategy, and ensures brand consistency. Start automating your content creation with Zapier today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more automation tips, and share this video with someone ready to level up their content game.